So how do you get a bank account in Mexico? Can you just come to Mexico as a tourist, go to a bank, open a bank account? How does that process work? The process is actually quite simple. The two primary things you have to get a bank account in Mexico is you have to have residency, either temporary residency or permanent residency. The other thing you need is what's called an RFC, which is basically a Mexican tax ID. So you need to get your residency, permanent or temporary, you need to get your RFC, and in order to get the RFC, you have to have your residency. Once you have those two things, they require basically a rental agreement, or if you own a property, you can bring your title, and then you also have to bring in a utility bill. And so once you have all of those things, you can go to any bank in Mexico, you can open your account, then you can easily transfer money from the United States using Wise. In most cases, unless it's over 100,000, then you would use MexEdge and you can transfer that money to your Mexican account. I strongly recommend, if you're going to spend much time in Mexico, that you get your residency so that you can get the bank account and also potentially buy a vehicle if that's what you want to do. But it's very important to get your residency. And then for residency, as I said before, I recommend the passport residency program over any of the other residency programs. If you don't know what that is, just message me and I will explain it to you, and I can connect you to an attorney in Mexico that can help you with that.